Hello guys. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm excited because it's spring cleaning. Going to be decorating my living room. The thing is, so I clean my living room, the deep cleaning. It's just tons of stuff I purchased that are thrown all over the place. And because I'm going to be decorating my living room, I'm pretty excited. Yeah, so it's going to be in the colors I prefer. So I was trying out the other day some colorful things, but it wasn't working. I didn't like it at all, and I prefer to stay to neutral colors, even if it's a bitter color. It's like pink or something like that, a very light pink. But I'm excited because I'm going to be decorating in spring colors, and yeah, so a little bit of pink, a little bit of this, and a little bit of that in the colors I like. So just wanted to show you a bit of things I picked up. These are from Hobby Lobby. So these are some flowers. These are so cute. So this is the blue. It's not flowers, I'm saying flowers. These are some long stem, they call stems, but I would say leaves. So this is the blue one. This is so beautiful, and I have pink here, and they're actually half off. So I paid about $5.99, and it's half off, good deal as well. So I went and I picked up some more. Let me get it for you. These are the first set I purchased, and it's actually the same stem plant. So this is it. Now I have like 3 of each. So I purchased them. I was like, oh my gosh, I like them so much. So this one is more like a mauve color, this one, and this is like, I don't know, I think it's blue purplish, something like that, but I think it's kind of springy and I like it. So I picked up this little cute pink and white flower bouquet. I was wondering if it's big enough for the vase I'm going to put it in. Not a big vase, but a tiny one. We shall see. So this is the color. This is so cute. So it's like a light baby pink. I picked up 2 of these. These are some eggs because it's Easter time, and I wanted to bring a little Easter decoration as well in the house. So these are so beautiful, pastel colors. I don't know if you can see. Let me bring it a bit closer. So picked up these frames. I purchased them from Hobby Lobby as well. They're going to be going up on this empty wall, as you see. I made some anchor there, but they're not in its right place. But this is it. I like them so much. So they didn't have any more. They only have like 3 of each. So I kind of mix match them a bit. I think it will work anyway. Here I had done to print down some wording to go in them. These are the wording that are going to be going in them, but they're actually too small. Oh my gosh. This is it. So these are some of them. I like it. So we actually print 2 of these, and these are my IMs. So that's what's going to go in it, but I have to get bigger sheet. Okay, so this is what my living room is looking like. That's a vase in that for the dining table. I'm going to show you in a bit. So it's a little bit messy, and those are my pink pillows I'm going to be using for my decor because I changed them out, and I put on those pink pillow covers and some white ones, and I'm getting rid of these. I'm not into the color. Not in such bright colors. So let's get started decorating. Oh, and I picked up this basket. This is so cute. Look at that basket. I picked it up from, I think it was at Homes. Yeah, I picked up at Homes. I like it so much. If you're a little mini haul, so seriously, oh my gosh. So I picked up these cute little things for Alexandra. I'm going to show you in the next video because I'm getting prepared for her birthday party. I'm excited. She'll be turning 1 very soon. So I picked up some stuff for her, and also I wanted to show you this. I picked it up from Burlington. This is so cute and so soft, and this is just a lovely knitted, is it knitted? Yeah. And this is a knitted throw blanket. I like it so much. It is so soft. Yeah, so this is going to be on my sofa because you know it's spring. Give it a bit of light colors, let it look all beautiful. And I also picked up this white one, and it does have some fringe at the bottom, so I'm liking this. I don't need much roll. I don't need a lot of them, so 2 will be enough. I'm going to purchase some for the ladder. So I purchased this candle. This candle is also from Burlington. This is so cute. I like it because it says walk by faith, and that's what we do. We walk by faith, not by sight. So this candle was just $9.99, so that is not bad, and it's huge. It's very big. And also this white roll is $12.99, and for this one it's $16.99, so not bad. And yeah, let's get started decorating. I'm excited. To bring up for me. So these, oh my gosh, are some vase and little decor that I haven't used in a while, so I'm going to be using these. And also for this one, I'm going to change. I'm going to add some pink flowers to this one, you know, because it's too much white going on, just to kind of brighten up the place just a bit. Sometimes I don't like these blankets because look at it. One of the string came out. Because I wanted to use them, the eggs that I show you are these pastel colors. Did I tell you where it's from? Yeah, I think it's from what store was it, Danielle? So this is from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to be putting them in this because I'm not feeling these right now. I think I'm going to get like a glass thing for these. You know those long glass that you put these lemons in? and it looks so good. I'm going to do that, but I'm going to be taking them out. Probably leave some so it kind of, because I don't think this is enough and I wanted to use the other one that matches it. For this wall, I'm thinking of putting like a nice frame there. We're going to add like a fireside mounted fireplace thing, but I don't think so. Maybe I'll put like a nice print right here with scriptures. Yeah, maybe I can put a few canvas there, or just one long one. I'll think about it, but I'm definitely going to be eyeing these very soon. I'm not liking it because the TV is right up here and this big old space, and the card, it just spoiled the whole thing. So I'm going to put some of the lime in here. Not lime, lemon. I'm going to throw out all these. Voila. And that's it, guys. Now all done. As you see, this is me. The colors I had it in before wasn't me. It wasn't me. I was trying to do a thing because I miss Jamaica so much. If you know what I'm saying, all my Caribbean people out there, you would understand. So I was just trying to bring the island to my home, but it wasn't working because not even when I'm in Jamaica I decorate like that, because I don't like colors. I don't. But this is more for me, and I was missing my country, actually my little island, and I miss it so much. I was trying to, you know, bring it in the house, but I wasn't feeling it. Anyway, I thought about like the pillows I had before. I'm going to be putting it down like on the floor, you know, just around here, and not the mustard one, but these. I'm hoping to find the other one, because when Alexandra come around, she likes pillows for some reason. She just likes to play with it, roll all over the floor. I don't know. So she's like that. So I'm going to leave this one and the other one to match it on the floor, so when she come around she can just roll all over the place. This is my beautiful blush airy living room. So I'm going to give you a tour so you can see a bit more up close and personal. Let's go. This is my ladder. I'm going to be adding like some pink and I think mostly white blanket to that ladder right there. that's it for today. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you like the decor. As I said, this is more of me and not the other stuff. But I was missing home, so I wanted to lift up the whole highland and bring it here. I couldn't, so I tried to get a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but that's how it goes. So anyway, I love it. I love the spring colors and I feel so good. I just get up and do it. Oh, and the floor is vacuum. You didn't see I do that because I don't vacuum. I don't like it. So I actually had Dawn to vacuum for me. Anyway, I love you guys and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Yes, please, that would be deeply appreciated. Please follow our Instagram. I'm going to put the link to it down in the description box down below. It's actually at Tiffany LJ, the same as my YouTube channel, but without the and Dawn. So it's actually Tiffany LJ, but I'll leave it in the description box down below so you can go ahead and follow us over there. But anyway, we love and appreciate you, and please don't forget, Jesus is Lord. He is. And this Easter time, take the time out to, you know, reflect and think about God's goodness and how much he loves us, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. But yeah, and walk in love as well. So please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye. What's up in my hand? They're going like this, and I don't normally do it. I think, you know what, it's nervousness. When Dawn is around, I get a little bit calmer, but when I'm by myself, I get nervous. Yeah, all these years I'm still camera shy. It's okay. Love you guys. Mwah.